YouTube. What's up, YouTube? Facebook, what up? Sean Wiggins. BFC, back with another video. Let's go. We're going to start, of course, average time.
It looks like you lost another one.
I was waiting for that part. And carrying the beat, YouTube. We got that fire. One of my favorites. Alright, let's go. 199. When you see small numbers like that at this time of the day, like when you see only 0.48 and you got multiple positions, that means it wasn't that much movement in the market. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't that much movement in the market. Alright. So for today we up $1.15. Took a couple dollars out, but we're about to put it back in. And I added a very nice position. I've been doing some research, and I'm looking for these positions that's going to be exploding. They're going to have explosions. They're going to explode. But you know what I like to do first? Let me turn this down a little bit because I'm talking over it, like, you know what I'm saying? Alright, here we go. You know the first thing I like to do? We're gonna look at our daily percent change. And I want you guys to look at plug power, okay? I want you guys to look at plug power. Alright? Look at plug power. Alright? Let's take a look at plug power real fast. Plug power was up 17% for today. For the week. I wasn't in on it. You know what I'm saying? I just got in today. But for the week, 86%. For the month, 131. For the year, 1,462%. So if you go back a year today, right, and you would have put, let's just say $100, you know, 1,000. Not only would you have doubled your money, you would have double. You know what I'm saying? That's what that means. Now, if you would have did that a month ago, if you would have put $100 a month ago, right, you would get back $130 profit. And you still have your $100, right? A week ago, you put $100, you have $86, right? That's what that means, those numbers. And today, if you would have put $100, you would have $16 profit, okay? When it comes to the dollar, when it comes to $100 value, whatever that percent is, that's how much dollars you're gonna get. So if you have $100 invested today on this plug power, and it went up 16%, close to 17, let's round off 17, you have made $17. That's a quick, fast, easy way to read that. And if it's in the thousands, like if it's 1,000, you made $160. If it's in 10,000, you made 1,600 today. Somebody somewhere made that. I just want to let y'all know that. I don't like how it would be all the way down there. Like an eye contact. So somebody somewhere did that. Alright? And this is why I continuously show this over and over again. Because trust me, you will grasp it. Alright? I'm cutting through a lot of layers and just showing you like this. At the same time, explaining the layers, but bouncing around with it. It's like kind of like speeding it up in a sense, you know what I'm saying? But I want you to also understand, the most important thing is you got to understand the behavior of stocks. And in order for you to do that, you have to constantly be looking at different patterns. You have to see what these stocks do, right? Understand why the stock is doing what it's doing. Okay, so let's talk about Plug Power real fast. Plug Power is a company where EVs can plug up to charge. And y'all know what's going on with EV right now. EV is the future. Y'all already know that. Gas ain't gonna be around no more. I don't know about no more, but like gas cars is gonna be less. You understand that? So, as quick as these companies are pushing out these vehicles and more people are starting to be acceptive to EV vehicles, and the question mark is going away, and now they're going to go get them one. Now we need more plug powers, right? So when you learn the percentages of people that have EVs now and the percentages that will have EVs in the future, right? You already know what time it is with this company, and it's already showing you what time it is. It's showing you what time it is. Let's go, baby. So we're going to dollar cost average. I almost want to take everything and just dump it in here, but, you know, that's not really the right thing to do. Okay? Because that, you know, anything got it. It's not good to put all your eggs in one basket. Although, if you have high tolerance, like a high risk tolerance, and you just like, then you go ahead, you gonna go ahead and do that. You know what I'm saying? But for this channel, we're gonna be dollar cost averaging. We're gonna dollar cost average. We're gonna diversify. All right. Let's just hurry. I said the ram. I get the rambling. Him rambling. Him rambling. I'm gonna be this is the position you hold for a minute. Alright? I'm gonna show you something real fast. Like, this stuff is mind-boggling. Like, let's go a year ago. Look what the stock was trading at a year ago. $4. How many shares you could have bought with $100? How many times you wasted $100 in 1 year? Talk to me now. Come on. What's trading right now? $63. Whew. So basically, round off, you would have made $60 a share right now. You would have bought 10 shares, 60 times 10, 600. You can take out $600 right now and go treat yourself to some steak and potatoes and a nice fine glass of wine. Some I don't know no fine glass of wine, but I know you could fill in the blank. Look, we rambling. Let me go. Come on, let's go. All right. So we go. Like I was saying, we go back to. We look at the. I like to look at the percent change, right? Normally, I wouldn't add to the one that's at the top. All right. But this company is like, hey. So we're gonna go down to the bottom. See down for the bottom. Today I bought Twitter. All right. I believe Twitter's gonna bounce probably tomorrow, sometime during this week, right? Remember what I told you guys? Look how I do it. Look how I do it. I go to the right. Now look. Watch this. Boom. So for the year, they up 43. I don't know what happened, and all of a sudden they down 9.78. Going left. They want some down some more, and then you look at the day. It's like, what's going on here? Are they about to uptrend? Right? It went down all the way right here, and it started the uptrend. Alright? So I'm going to go ahead and dollar cost average $2.50 in here. I should have caught that a little earlier. Normally I do this like around 2. There's something special about 11 o'clock and 2 o'clock in the stock market. You will catch it when you get experience. Alright? Some things, I can tell you, some things you will just catch. Like a lot of stuff that I know, I learned a lot off YouTube, yes. But a lot of stuff also, as you're going along, you come up with stuff in like your own kind of like trading plans and stuff. And stuff start clicking like, oh, I'm telling you, there's a lot of hidden secrets. And if I tell you it's in your head, you ain't gonna understand it. As you doing it, you're gonna start picking things up on your own watch. And for those of you who are not actively trading right now, you can download, I believe, Webull, E-Trade, T-Trade. A lot of these places have where you can practice. You can practice, all right? I'm rambling. I gotta get back to what I was doing, all right? So we go to our next one, which is Apple. Apple's not down that much, but they're down from their all-time high. When they say down, whenever you see that, that's from the all-time high for today, all right? You already know what time it is with Apple. There's no explanation with Apple, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and dollar cost average $2.50. I'm gonna try my best to add very little of my money and just place it in companies that are pushing. All right. Next one. Alibaba. They're about to go up. Probably like tomorrow. As you can see, they stop right there. Ooh. All right. 12. 2. See the number getting lower? Yeah. 250. I'll probably sell it tomorrow. These companies are more like safe. They're not companies that are gonna do a big giant explosion because they're big already. They're gonna have growth, yes, but not like Tesla growth. Cause they already made, you know what I'm saying? So I'll probably sell it tomorrow. All right. We're gonna rewind one more time. Select and that's it. You heard me see? Yes. Let's see what I got left. $14. They got a dividend coming up. I'm gonna hold these guys for a while too, only because they pay monthly dividend. Real estate REIT. Real estate investment trust fund. I'm sorry. So the real estate REIT. What is this guy talking about? You guys have to understand. It's very important to understand. This is just like a number game. It's like mathematical equations. You could do the mathematical equations much more easy. The more practice. That sucks. The more practice, you start seeing it clear as day. Come on. Internet messing up. I hate when that happens. Come on, man. Internet. Hey. Whoa. You gotta be looking at these stocks. Just check. You even gotta be involved. Just look at it. That, it went up 5% today. It went down 7%. There we go. Oh, it went up 50%. Oh, it went up 20%. You don't have to only be going to a bank to get the little baby percentages they be giving. Look at that. American Airlines. I'm gonna put 250 in there. This is like a recovery stock. I ain't gonna lie. I kind of fell off a little bit in the stock stuff. You know, dealing with my mother passing. R.I.P. Mama. While we on it, thank you everybody for the donations that y'all helped us with. Thank you everybody for the donations. Thank you everybody who shared. Thank you everybody for the prayers y'all sent. Thank you. Alright. We're gonna leave that for tomorrow. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Also, we're gonna take a quick peep at we're gonna save that for another video. We're gonna switch videos. Alright, so you see what I did, right? Come to my portfolio, look at the daily percent change. I'll go to the bottom, add at the ones at the bottom. You want to add the ones at the top, but the priority be the ones at the bottom. Why the ones at the bottom? Now I want you to remember, the ones at the bottom don't stay there. The ones at the bottom don't stay there. They don't stay there. Tomorrow they be in a different position. 2 days later they're gonna be in a different position. They're not gonna be there. It's gonna be another position in that place where Twitter is at and Apple. So what does that mean? Those when they're not there no more, it went up. So I add to those first. Alright, we're gonna look at my daily return. That's for today. We're gonna look at total return. Alright. Those are your options you have there. Total return so far. Okay. Sometimes I like to flip this around and then add to the ones that have like the money down. So like that's 7 cents. When they go back up, we get 7 cents.
It looks like you lost another one.
That's it, we out. The Sean Wiggins BFC. We can take a quick peep. Alright, let's look at this real fast. It's good to read the news. Give me real fast, that's it. How much time we got? Alright, we're not doing bad. Alright, let's read this. Plug Power stock rallies to nearly 15-year high after analyst calls re-note deal validating. Alright. Power Plug and French automaker. See they building stuff over there. That's the Power Plug. That's how it look. That's how it look. One thing I like about when you invest into a company and you see that company, that logo, and you see it in operation, you get a fuzzy feeling. Alright. First, how long is this article first? Alright, we can bust it out real fast. There we go. A deal with French car maker Group Renault on Tuesday sent shares of Plug Power Inc. to their highest in nearly 15 years. So this company been in existence for 15 years, with one analyst calling the potential joint venture transformative for the U.S. company. Plug Power Plug, 17.48 shares rose more than 14%. On track for their highest close since May 2006 and 6-day winning run, their longest streak since October. The stock has gained 92% over the 6-session stretch and 1,377% in the past 12 months, compared to the gains around 60% for the S&P 500. XPX 0.4% is still a far cry, however, from a record closing high of 1,497.50